Hey everyone, James Janega here from Growth Innovation Strategy. Very happy to introduce you to the membership plans that are taking a home on our Growth Innovation Strategy website. You see the classic navigation about our strategy and innovation offerings, and up at the top, the new link to member services. We've got two plans right now. There's the free insights that gets the regular newsletter and access to our blog, as well as the basic membership that gets access to a variety of the different PowerPoint and Excel templates that we use in our regular consulting delivery. You can take a look at some of these things. Each of these are fully editable and available for download for members of the basic plan. You can see things like our industry analysis, external analysis, company analysis, different kinds of risk mitigation plans, optimization matrices for our strategies. A lot of really great opportunities in there, as well as strategy tools to download the entire deck. So here you can see all of the different tools that we use, including how to identify what your key question is, how to do value chain analysis, and all of that. Back up at the top, we also have PowerPoint downloads as well as the Excel downloads. So you saw on some of those, there we go. You saw on some of those, PowerPoint images that came from Excel templates. This is the repository for all of those Excel templates, all again fully editable, including articulated financial statements, cash flow optimization, cash cycle optimization, and competitive strategy slides that help you look at, where the best option is for you in your strategy with your company. So really hope you take a look at that. Come check out growthinnovationstrategy.com and find a membership plan that's right for you. And hopefully we'll see you there. We'll be updating these monthly and looking forward to working with you further. Reach out if you have questions to strategy at growthinnovationstrategy.com. Thank you.